How you doing? My name is Frank. What you're looking at is a building that I purchased from Eversafe Buildings. I went with a 30 by 100. The process from start to finish was seamless. The guys installing it, put it up real nice and fast. Very clean process. I was really surprised at how fast it went up. 2.5 days from start to finish. So my building is used for some storage on my work vehicles. Was able to put up some shelving rack systems to be able to also put in some of my material as well. Plenty of room for all my stuff that I have. So I ended up going with a couple different size doors, two 12 by 12s to be able to get multiple things in and out without any restrictions. And then also I had the capabilities of going with a 14 by 14 on the end of the 30-foot side. If I ever wanted to put an RV or a tall trailer in here, I wouldn't have to worry about any kind of restrictions, both left and right and up and down, as well as the doors closing. Everything is very nice and tight and fits perfectly, so I can't be more excited about that as well. So my overall experience with Eversafe was a 10 out of 10. Couldn't be any more excited. Everything went perfect. Definitely recommend them to anybody.